Hi friends, this is Vijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video, I'll show you the concept of moving average price. Now, instead of explaining it theoretically, I'll show you all these things in system. So it will be a hands-on training. So first of all, I have material created, that is foil, and I'm going to display the same, and the same material is being created in two different plant. One is ABC and another one is AAA. Now I'm displaying the material. My material name is foil. Now going inside, taking the views, showing the plant ABC, and my storage location is ABC as well. So going inside, going to accounting one. Yes, see, this material has a standard price control. Here I'm showing you the price control. By the time you all know, the S stands for standard price and V stands for moving average price. So S is the standard price. So foil material has a standard price of and that standard price is 5. So now I am going to display the same material in another plant, that is AAA. Taking all the views, AAA is my plant, AAA, and the storage location is same, that is ABC. Going inside, going to accounting one once again, and it has standard price as well, and the price is 4. So the same material exists in both the plants. Plant ABC is having standard price of ₹5 for this material, and for the same material, plant AAA is having price 4. That means AAA plant has a less price. So let me upload a few stocks in both the plants. Now how to do the same? /n /n migo, migo. It will take a bit time in order to go into the migo transaction, and also we will get to know the price difference concept while transferring the same material from one plant to another plant. That will also be covered here in this video. Now what I am doing is I'll be uploading few stocks in both the plants, in plant AAA and in plant ABC. So it is taking a bit time. Yes, migo has come up, and let me tell you, I have mentioned these points in a notepad. Foil is my material, exists in ABC plant, and the ABC plant is having price 5. Total price is 4. Now ABC foil exists in AAA plant with price 4. Now let me upload few stocks here. How to upload? Goods received. This part I will not explain, as this is already covered in my other video. So I'll share the link in the description box below. You will get to know how to post the uh, migo. However, I'm showing here as well, but I'll not explain in detail. So my material number was foil, foil quantity. Let me upload 5 units of stock, where in in AAA plant. AAA plant, I'm uploading 5 units of stock. Plant AAA, storage location ABC, and the price maintained in the material master was 4. 5 units, hence as a whole, it as a total it should come 20. Pressing enter, clicking on the check box. If it is okay, then the message will be displayed as document okay. Otherwise it will show you where the problem is, accordingly you have to rectify. Document is okay. Now I am posting the same. It will a material document will be posted with the price of 20 as I'm uploading 5 units of material at a rate of 4 as maintained in the material master. So here I am price is 4 and I am taking 5 unit, hence the total price should be 20. Let me update. Total price should be 20. What has happened? 20. Yes, document number has posted in between. Let me go to go and display. It is 93. Display material document. Document number has automatically come up, executing the same. All the details has come up. Now I am straight away going to document info and FI document. Thus the accounting document will be displayed. Again, it is taking a bit time. Accounting document will be displayed and the yes, it is coming up. Yes, yes, 20 is the price as expected, and I already have updated 20 in the total price here in my notepad. It is I'm maintaining this in order to understand better. So what was the accounting entry? Stock account, stock got debited and cost of at the rate of cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold got credited. Absolutely fine, as it is the goods receipt. This is the standard accounting entry of goods receipt, and this one, I mean, where from these accounts are coming, this is also covered in my other video. I'll give the link of the video in the description box below. So I'm coming back. It is done. Now I'll upload the same stock in my other plant, that is ABC. Now how to do the same? Again the same, goods receipt, other, material is same, that is foil, going to quantity. Now I'll upload only one quantity here, and plant is ABC, storage location is the same, that is ABC. Now again going to press enter. Yes, now checking, checked. Now posting. Here I am posting 1 unit and the price maintained in the material master is 5. Hence 5 must be total price. Material number is this. Now going to display. Number has automatically come up. Pressing the execute button, going to the document info, pressing the FI documents, going to the accounting document. Yes, stock debit to cost of goods sold 5 unit. Absolutely fine. Now I'm coming here, 5 unit. Yes, it is also updated. Price is 5, maintain in the material master price, material master price. Yes, now unit is 1 unit is uploaded, that is 5. So it's done. Now what I'll do is I'll transfer few material from AAA plant to ABC plant. Say ABC plant is thinking that the same material is available in my other plant, that is AAA, with a less price, right? It is having a less price, that is 4. The ABC plant itself has uploaded one stock at a rate of 5. However, it is saying that the same material is available in the same company's other plant with a less price. So why don't I take material from ABC plant? So I'll acquire few materials from ABC plant. So that will be good. Price will be less, so that will be good. So I'm going to transfer few stock from AAA plant to ABC plant. the same transaction, that is MIGO. Transfer posting, yes, transfer posting, other. Now material is foil, FOIL, foil. Plant, it is from plant is AAA, and my destination plant is ABC. Storage location is ABC for both. Material, foil. Okay, let me press enter. All will come up. Yes, material has successfully come up. Now I have to enter the quantity. Let me take 3 quantity, 3 unit of foil from AAA plant to ABC plant. Where should have come up? Yes, it is come up. Now I'll press the check button. It will be checked. Yes, checked. Now posting the same. Document posted. Now I am going to display the same. Display. Document number has automatically come up. Executing the same. Going to document info. Pressing the FI document. Accounting document will be displayed. Yes, accounting document is being displayed successfully. See, the material has got acquired from AAA plant to ABC plant at a rate of 4, and I took 3 unit. That means 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12. So 12 is the rate, 12 is the price against which I am acquiring this material. But my standard price maintained in master in ABC plant was 5, and I am taking 3 materials. So 5 into 3 must be 15, and there 5 into 4, that is 12, is successfully come up. Now the difference has come up, and the difference is 3. Now 3 difference is going to this account 118. Now where from it is coming, I am showing you the same. It is maintained in system against the OBYC, accounting key maintenance. OBYC. AUM is the transaction against which the price difference has got maintained, and what stands for ABC is expense and revenue from stock transfer. Yes, I am having some deficit or revenue while having the stocks transfer, and that is the price difference. Now here I have maintained 118 account, GL account. Now so this much is clear. So now what will be the condition in the material master? See here, I hope this much is clear to you. So I am acquiring 3 units of material from AAA plant at the rate of 4, that comes to 12, as my unit is 3, and my material price maintained in my material master is 15. So my price maintained in my material master is 5, and if 3 unit, that means 15, 3 multiplied by 5. So this entry is successfully come up as the price maintained in my material master was 5, and I am taking this same from other plant is 12. So the difference goes to the price difference, and now this accounting document has an impact in material master as well. Now what is the impact? I am going to show you the same. /n mm03 foil, pressing enter, displaying my plant is ABC, storage location is ABC as well. Now let me maintain the notepad as well. So this is the condition. 20 was the price that has got a material. No, I took 1 second. Going to display material, display document, sorry, display document. No, sorry, I took 3 units of material, and that is as a this one, yeah, as a result 12 has come up. So going to maintain the material master well. 4 units of 4 is the price, and 5 was the unit, that is this. Now the same, right? ABC is the plant, foil is the material, unit is 3, that is 12. Price maintained in the material master was 4, and it was in triple A, and the same ABC foil 5. There was 1 unit that I myself uploaded, and with 5. That means as a whole, foil has foil foil has 3 plus 1 means 4 unit, and the total price would be 12 plus 5, that is 17. Hence 17 is my total price and 4 is my total stock. Then 17 divided by 4, 17 divided by, I'm pressing a wrong key basically, 17 divided by 4 comes to 4.25, and this is the moving average price. I hope this much is clear to you. ABC, yes. Now I am going to display this term. Accounting 1. See, moving average price has got updated with 4.25, which is absolutely fine. Now see, 5 was the price maintained in the material master. I took 1 unit of material master, 1 unit of stock. I mean, I uploaded 1 unit of stock at the rate of 5. So 1 unit was taken at a rate of 5. Now I took 3 units of material from AAA plant at the rate of 4. That means 12. 12 plus 5, that means 12 plus 5, that means 17. And here this total was total stock was 3 units coming from AAA plant and 1 is coming from this plant itself. That means 4 quantity in total, which has got updated perfectly. And there 5 plus 12 was 17, 17 price, means 17 divided by 4 stock is coming at the rate of this. And why the total value this is coming? Because total stock is now 4 multiplied by 5, that is 20. Why it is being shown as standard price maintained in the material master? Standard price standard price control maintained in the material master is S, means standard price, and as I'm having 4 quantity of stock, but the standard price maintained is this, hence the total value is this is coming up. And the moving average price is obviously the price it has got taken, and the price it was there in this plant is being divided by the total quantity of the stock, and that comes this. So I hope this much is clear to you. If it is not, then please put your queries in the comment section. I'll surely try to